Hello to everyone. Today I'm here with Time Value of Money Lecture 3. If you are interested to have update videos on banking and finance related videos, please do subscribe my channel. Now, in the previous lecture, we have calculated the present value of ordinary annuity and of annuity due by applying the discounting method. Now today we are going to calculate the same calculation by applying the formula. Now in case of an ordinary annuity, the formula comes to present value annuity for the period n, that is equal to PMT. PMT is the installment 1 minus 1 plus K. K is the interest rate, and here power is in minus n divided by K. What is the present value of annual ordinary annuity for rupees 15,000 for a period of 5 years, considering interest rate is equal to 12%? What is given here? Annual annuity, that is equal to PMT equal to 50,000. Number of years are 5. Interest rate is 12%. And we have to calculate present value annuity for 5 years. The solution comes, we have put all the values in the formula PMT 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 power minus 5 divided by 0.12. The answer comes to 180,239. Now you can compare this answer with the previous lecture calculation by applying the discounting method. The answers will be similar. Now here we have extended our study. We are going to extend our study. We are going to calculate the present value annuity in case of a semi-annual payment. Here PMT is the same, but M is equal to 2 for semi-annual. Therefore, the N comes to 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. And here K is equal to K divided by M, that is equal to 0.12 divided by 2 equals to 0.06. In this case, you will put the values in the formula. The answer will come equal to 368,000. Now, in case of a quarterly, M will be equal to 4. So, you will simply put these values in the formula here. N is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 20. And here, K will be equal to K divided by 4, it comes 0.03. And the value of present value annuity equals to 743,874. Here we have done a small mistake. It comes 20, not 6. Here it comes, it's equal to here it's equal to 10. Okay. Now in case of a monthly, you will multiply n with n with 12, it comes equal to 60, and here you will divide it by rate with 12, it will be equal to 0.01. The answer comes to 2,247,752. So in this way, you can calculate any type of a calculation by applying this formula. Now, here is the case of annuity due, that is the beginning mode. In case of a beginning mode, what is the change in the formula? Here you will multiply the previous formula with 1 plus K. So, for the first case, for the annual payment, you can compare the previous calculation which we have calculated by applying the discounting factor. you will find this similar result. Now here again for the semi-annual, you have here PV A 10. It is equal to 390 390,080 rupees. And in case of a quarterly, the answer comes to 766,190. And in case of monthly, just make a correction here. Here it's 20. Now, in case of monthly, the value comes to 2270230. So in this way, you have calculated the present value annuity for both ordinary annuity and annuity due by applying the formula. We have the third option that we will calculate in the last lecture by applying the Excel. So it will be more convenient for the professionals to calculate these questions on Excel. See you again very soon with the upcoming lecture.